Okay, what are we doing? It's Valentine's Day, February 14th. Nice clear blue skies today. It's beautiful out, nice clear, but here we are salting the roof in Whitten because it's icy, and that's what they pay us to do, salt the roof. It is, you can see that there, what time is it? It is 11:02 a.m. and let's salt the roof. We got the spreader running, and let's do it. Let's see if I can get a shot of the action back there and turn the spreader on. There it is. There's the salt going. Black doesn't bring sand today because we don't use salt on the roof. It's bad. The roof is rubber. There it is. In the water. Oops. Shut it off. Back her up. Don't back up, Beaver. Just for fun. Yep. She's sufficiently salted. For anybody that has never seen my face on YouTube before, I don't know if you can see that. That's me. Camera. Yep, that's me. Hi everybody. How you doing? I'm Shane. This is what I do. Salt roofs. Do this. Do that. There you go. Front and back. Yep. And all that stuff. Yeah. There's the hospital over there we work for. Yep. Nice. Police Association, 2007, expired, needed 08. Got my license plate on the floor because it was ripped off the front of the truck. We won't blame anybody for that. Tell you it wasn't me though. Ripped off. Yep. It's cool. There's the Santa control box. There's the Fisher plow box right. Plow goes left. Down. Goes up. There's all kinds of cool stuff. Alright. 2-minute video. Salt in the roof. That's cool. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.